Hey guys, so today we will be talking about some amazing germination hacks. So hack number 1 is soaking seeds well in water. It enhances the germination rate of the seeds. Soaking for 8 to 12 hours will do the trick, but be careful. Over soaking will decompose the seeds and spoil your whole effort. Hack number 2 is wrapping the seeds in wet cloth or tissue. By wrapping the seeds in wet cloth, you lock in moisture, which is very important for germination. Place them in wet cloth for 24 hours and follow the next step, which will work like magic. Hack number 3 is POLYHOUSE method. Sow your seeds in a container and water it well. At last, cover it with plastic sheet. What will it do is it will lock in the moisture and make fake rain. You will be amazed to see how quick your seeds will germinate and sprout. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and do subscribe.